Many people think about burning fat when they want to lose weight. It's often the first thing that comes to mind when we talk about getting healthier or changing our bodies. But there's a lot more to fat burning than just fitting into smaller clothes. But honestly, burning fat is important for everyone, even if you don't want to be thinner. It's about supporting your body's natural processes and helping you feel your best, no matter your age or size. When your body burns fat well, you have more energy, and you also lower your risk for health problems like heart disease and diabetes. Fat burning helps your body function smoothly, so you can keep up with your daily activities and enjoy life more fully. So, burning fat is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and living a longer, healthier life. It's about having the energy to do what you love and protecting your body from illness as you age. Think of it like this: your body can use two main fuels for energy: sugar and fat. The foods you eat play a big role in which fuel your body chooses. When you eat a lot of sugary foods, your body gets used to burning sugar for fuel. This can make you feel hungry more often and lead to energy crashes. This is like driving a car that only runs on one type of gas. It might work for a while, but it's not optimal. Your body isn't as flexible or efficient as it could be. On the other hand, when you eat fewer sugary foods and more healthy fats, your body starts to become a fat-burning machine. It learns to tap into stored energy, keeping you fueled for longer. It's kind of like having a hybrid car that can switch between different fuel sources. It's much more efficient and adaptable, letting you go further without running out of steam. Burning fat as your primary fuel source has numerous benefits. It supports your metabolism, helps you maintain a healthy weight, and gives you lasting energy for both work and play. You'll experience more stable energy levels throughout the day, without those sugar crashes. You'll feel more focused, alert, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. You'll also reduce inflammation in your body, which can contribute to various chronic diseases. By making small changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can unlock the key to better health and a more vibrant life. Your body doesn't automatically switch from burning sugar to burning fat overnight. It actually takes time for your body to adapt to using fat as its primary fuel. Think of it like learning a new language. It takes practice and consistency. The transition period can be tough. You might feel tired or, a little foggy-headed at first. This is normal. Your body is simply adjusting to a new way of functioning. Don't give up. These initial side effects are temporary. So, how long does it take to become an efficient fat burner? It varies from person to person, but it usually takes a few weeks to a few months. The key is to be patient and consistent with your healthy habits. Once your body adapts to burning fat, you'll notice some amazing changes. You'll have more energy, fewer cravings for sugary foods, and you'll feel sharper mentally. It's like upgrading your body's operating system to a faster, more efficient version. How do you know if your body is becoming a fat-burning machine? Well, there are several signs to look for. First, increased energy. You'll notice you have more energy throughout the day, without relying on caffeine or sugary snacks for a boost. Next, reduced cravings. You'll crave sugary treats less often because your body is satisfied with burning fat for fuel. Then, there's improved mental clarity. You'll experience sharper focus and concentration as your brain thrives on ketones, which are a byproduct of fat metabolism. If weight loss is your goal, as your body becomes more efficient at burning fat, you'll likely see the number on the scale go down. And of course, better sleep. You'll enjoy deeper, more restful sleep as fat burning promotes hormonal balance. These are just a few of the positive changes you might experience as you transition into a fat-burning state. Remember, everyone is different, so you may notice some signs more prominently than others. Several factors influence how well your body burns fat. Some of these are things you can control, while others are not. Genetics, for example, play a role in your metabolism and how your body processes food. Diet is huge. What you eat has a massive impact on your body's ability to burn fat. Eating too much sugar and processed foods will definitely hinder fat burning. Exercise is another big one. Regular physical activity, especially high-intensity exercise, can significantly boost your metabolism and fat-burning potential. Stress is also important. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can promote fat storage. And of course, lack of sleep disrupts your hormones and can lead to increased fat storage. Understanding how these factors affect fat burning can really help you make informed choices to optimize your health. All right, now that you understand the basics of fat burning, let's dive into some practical and effective tips to really boost your body's fat-burning ability. The first tip is to eat less sugar, which is one of the most important changes you can make for your health and your waistline. Sugar is honestly a major culprit in preventing fat burning, so try to cut back on things like sugary drinks, desserts, and processed foods. Instead, focus on whole foods and natural sources of sweetness, like fruit, to satisfy your cravings without sabotaging your progress. Next up, exercise with intervals. This means mixing short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest or lighter movement. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, involves alternating bursts of intense exercise with brief recovery periods. This approach not only burns more calories in less time, but also keeps your metabolism elevated even after your workout is over. This type of workout is, highly effective for boosting metabolism and fat burning. And don't forget, recovery is just as important, so make sure you get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, because sleep deprivation can really wreak havoc on your hormones and hinder fat loss. Good sleep helps your body repair, regulate appetite, and maintain energy for your workouts. Another important tip is to manage stress. Chronic stress can increase levels of cortisol, a hormone that encourages your body to store fat, especially around your belly. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or even just spending time in nature. Activities like deep breathing, journaling, or connecting with friends can also help you unwind and keep your body in fat-burning mode. And consider apple cider vinegar. While it's not a magic solution, it may offer some benefits when used as part of a healthy lifestyle. Some studies suggest that consuming apple cider vinegar before bed can aid in weight loss by improving insulin sensitivity and helping you feel fuller, which may reduce late-night snacking. By incorporating these simple yet powerful habits into your daily routine, you'll create an environment that supports optimal fat burning and helps you reach your health goals more effectively. Spending time outdoors can, really make a difference in your fat-burning efforts. Sunlight exposure, fresh air, and just connecting with nature bring a whole bunch of benefits. For instance, sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D, which is super important for regulating metabolism and supporting healthy hormone levels. Being in nature also has this calming effect on your mind and body, reducing stress levels and just promoting your overall well-being. Plus, when you get outside for activities like hiking, biking, or even just a walk, you naturally move more and burn more calories. So, try to make an effort to get some outdoor time into your daily routine, even if it's just a short walk during your lunch break. It's honestly pretty common to hit a weight loss plateau, where it feels like your progress just stalls out and the scale refuses to budge, no matter how hard you try. This can be really frustrating, especially when you feel like you're doing everything right, eating well, exercising, and staying motivated. But hey, don't get discouraged. Plateaus are a natural part of the weight loss journey, and almost everyone experiences them at some point. Here are some practical tips to help you move past those stubborn plateaus. First, review your diet. Are you maybe, without realizing it, eating hidden sugars or unhealthy fats? Sometimes, small things can add up and slow your progress. Take a close look at your food choices and adjust as needed. Keeping a food journal can help you spot patterns or sneaky calories you might be missing. Next, try increasing the intensity or duration of your workouts, or even switch up your routine to keep things fresh and challenge your body in new ways. This could mean adding more cardio, lifting heavier weights, or trying a new fitness class to push yourself a bit further. You could also consider intermittent fasting, which means cycling between periods of eating and fasting. This approach can help reset your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and sometimes give your body the nudge it needs to start losing weight again. And, in some cases, underlying medical conditions, like thyroid issues or hormonal imbalances, can get in the way of weight loss. So it's a good idea to consult your doctor to rule out any potential issues. They can help you identify any hidden obstacles and offer guidance tailored to your needs. Remember, plateaus are just a normal part of the journey. By staying consistent, being patient, and making the right adjustments, you'll overcome them and keep moving towards your goals. Every step forward counts, so keep going. While a lot of popular diets focus on high fat intake, it's honestly so important to prioritize nutrient-dense foods if you want the best health and fat-burning results. You know, dirty keto often relies on processed foods that are high in unhealthy fats and just don't have the nutrients your body needs. Instead, try to fill your diet with whole, unprocessed foods. Go for healthy fats like avocado, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Choose quality protein sources, such as grass-fed meat, pasture-raised poultry, wild-caught fish, and eggs. Don't forget fiber-rich vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. And for fruits, stick to low-sugar options like berries, avocado, lemons, and limes. By making these choices, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to thrive and support healthy fat burning. Starting your journey to better health and improved fat burning doesn't have to mean making huge, drastic changes. Begin by adding small, sustainable tweaks to your daily routine. Maybe it's cutting back on sugary drinks, going for a daily walk, or making sleep a priority. Every little step gets you closer to your goals. And honestly, consistency is what really matters. Focus on gradual improvements over time instead of chasing quick fixes. Make sure to celebrate your successes along the way and, most importantly, embrace the journey to a healthier, more vibrant you.